I can't believe that NVIDIA stock rocketed 16% today to new highs and set a new record for the largest ever one-day market cap increase. It's hard to believe because NVIDIA stock had dropped almost 10% yesterday before the earnings were announced. And many investors believe that the company that had just recently topped a $1 trillion market cap couldn't possibly live up to its insane growth expectations. But NVIDIA did, and it destroyed its Wall Street earnings estimates for Q4 of 2023. Their accelerator chips for generative AI computing grew 5 times the level of a year ago, and NVIDIA said that it also expects to keep growing in the following quarter. Because all of NVIDIA's largest clients, Amazon, Meta, Microsoft, and Google, are all investing heavily into the AI components that NVIDIA directly provides. And competition doesn't seem to be an issue, as NVIDIA continues to increase their profit margins to their highest level yet. The stock is already up 63% 2 months into 2024, and up almost 2,000% over the last 5 years. Investment bank Rosenblatt Securities even raised their price target to 1,400. Do you think NVIDIA will continue to rally?